how to use Deepseek to get quick summary. How to use Deepseek to get quick summary. Now, you have to first send it the document you want it to summarize by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom, clicking on document, and choosing the document you want it to summarize. So let's say I want to summarize this book titled Beyond the Threshold. So you click on it and click on select. So this is document, and then once it says uploaded, then you have to summarize it. So you click on write summarize this document. So you can tell you how many words you want. So I want you to click on send, which is this blue button over here. So once you've done that, to start summarizing. I've already done that earlier in my previous method. You can see it here. This is the document, and I asked it to summarize, and this was the answer it gave me. Can you see it? It gave me a summary of the introduction, the chapters, everything. The document of about, let's see, this is the final chapter, about 12 chapters, and it was able to summarize it. It's as simple as that. So it's not to waste our time. That was why I did it ahead of time. But it's exactly the same document. So it's very simple. That is how you do it. Now, if it is something else, another document, you can do the same thing. So if it's a book, you want it to summarize, it helps with homework, if you want to understand something without having to read the entire document, just do it. So it's very helpful. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.